Liven app review. So is this app legit? So here's the app. There is no free option. You need to instantly upgrade or try a free trial. So I just did that. And this app tailored at your personal well-being. As you can see, this is how it looks like. I'm here to make well-being a little more approachable. No fluff, no overly complicated terms, just genuine, down-to-earth support for whatever life throws your way. Yeah, here's the app. And if you're feeling overwhelmed, if you're lacking motivation or hard time to focus, here's how it looks like. And if you just go in, you just do like a daily check-in. How are you feeling? And then just doing continue. And then just so for example, just enter it here, and that's basically how it looks like. So kind of super simple app. You have all of these then stats. I must say it's quite well designed, so yeah, that's a big part of it. And then you just have these overviews, and then you have different tools, like different activities which you can try to do, different tasks, courses. So courses here is just you go in here and you need to go through the plan and find all of the, do the little course, and which can help you out with procrastination or with overthinking, with happiness stats, sleep quality, just super small simple questions, and you just answering them and trying to structure yourself. So that's the idea of the app, and then that's just what you have. But what happens is that like some people on my YouTube channel say that it's like, this is really a scam app. This is one of the reviewers that says, try to take the quiz and did 2 instances, both a honest answer with some stuff I'm dealing with, and a fake answer. And then you just got the same response. Stay away from this app. Don't get scammed. So yeah, this app is not free. You need to pay, and quite a lot. So it's quite expensive app. So this person claims he or she tried to answer both honestly and non-honestly and got basically the same reply, the same thing what you need to do. So yeah, I need to say this app is, as you can see during the reviews, this app has some not the best reviews. So super high app, high expensive app. So as you can see, it has some issues. So try it out for a week, try it out for a free trial, and then cancel it. Seems like this app, you can see, has a nice design, everything, but it wasn't yet built fully, doesn't have that many courses, doesn't have that many blogs or tasks, and it's quite expensive, and the reviews are not that good. So either try a free trial, or let's wait, maybe they will build it out in something bigger. If not, this is probably really can be a scam app. They just want to charge you money for it. So that's what it is.